This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch release and open the bonnet. Release the support prop and engage it with the hole in the bonnet underside. On 1.9 litre engines, release the fasteners from the right-hand side and top of the engine cover, then lift off the cover, taking care not to lose its mounting rubbers. On 2 litre engines, release the fixings and remove the engine cover. Slowly unscrew the coolant expansion tank filler cap and allow any residual pressure to escape. Position a suitable container under the left-hand end of the radiator. Release the clamp and disconnect the lower hose from the radiator. Allow the coolant to drain into the container. Mop up the spilled coolant. Reconnect the hose and secure it with the clamp. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to the expansion tank to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Open the cooling system bleed screw or cap. These are located in the heater matrix outlet hose union on the engine compartment bulkhead and on 2 litre engines on the top of the thermostat housing. As soon as air-free coolant emerges from the bleed screw or cap, tighten it. Mop up any spilled coolant. Continue to fill the cooling system until bubbles stop appearing in the expansion tank. Help to bleed the air from the system by repeatedly squeezing the radiator bottom hose. Securely refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it at a fast idle speed of less than 2000 revs per minute until the cooling fan cuts in and then cuts out. Stop the engine. Top up the level in the coolant tank to the maximum mark and securely refit the filler cap. Manoeuvre the engine cover into position and secure it with the fasteners. Stow the safety prop, firmly close the bonnet and ensure it's secure.